Ever walk into a room and feel like everyone's staring at you and not in a good way? Or maybe you replay awkward conversations at 3 a.m., wondering why you said that. Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down the real reasons you might be struggling socially. And trust me, it's not what you think. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll be more socially savvy than ever. Let's start with the number one culprit: overthinking. You're not socially inept, you're just caught in an endless loop of, did I say the right thing? Or, what if they think I'm weird? Here's the deal. Most people are too busy worrying about themselves to dissect your every word. It's liberating when you realize you're not the star of everyone's inner anxiety show. If you've ever spiraled after saying something dumb, comment relatable below. We're building a support group here. Your words are important, sure. But did you know that 70% of communication isn't what you say? It's how you say it. Slouching, avoiding eye contact, and fidgeting scream, "I'm uncomfortable," even if you're silently dying to connect. The fix? Start small, shoulders back, chin up, and practice holding eye contact for just 3 seconds longer than you normally would. You'll be amazed at how quickly people notice the change. Warning: extended eye contact may lead to awkward staring contests. Use responsibly. Finding the sweet spot between oversharing and being a conversational ghost can feel like walking a tightrope. If you're the type who talks too much, remember, conversations aren't TED Talks. Ask questions and actually listen to the answers. If you're the quiet type, try this trick. Share one personal story for every question you ask. It's all about balance, baby. Which one are you, Chatty Cathy or Silent Steve? Drop it in the comments below. Let's talk about the big one: fear of rejection. Most socially inept moments boil down to avoiding risks because we're afraid of the outcome. But here's a secret: rejection isn't about you. Sometimes people are just busy, distracted, or not in the mood. The key is to reframe rejection as a stepping stone instead of a dead end. Every no is one step closer to a better yes. Next time you take a social risk, share your victory or even your awkward fail in the comments. We celebrate both here. Here's the harsh truth: if you believe you're socially inept, you'll act like it. That negative self-talk becomes a prophecy you keep fulfilling. Instead, start small. Find one thing you're proud of in a social interaction. Maybe you smiled at someone or made them laugh, and build from there. Confidence grows when you water it, not when you drown it in self-doubt. Ever feel like you're always interrupting people, or worse, waiting so long to speak that the topic changes? That's the timing struggle. Social interactions are like riding a wave. You need to jump in at the right moment. The trick? Listen closely for natural pauses or cues, like someone finishing a thought, and remember, sometimes not saying anything is just as powerful. Unless you're bursting with a killer joke, in that case, full send. Another classic: not reading the room. This happens when you're so focused on what you want to say that you forget to assess the vibe. Are people laughing, serious, or low energy? Match the tone before you contribute, and you'll blend in naturally. It's like being a DJ. Play the wrong track and the crowd clears out. But hit the right notes, you're the life of the party. Have you ever misread the room so badly you wanted to teleport out? Share your cringe stories below. We're all here for it. Forgetting names or faces is a social faux pas we've all been guilty of. But here's the thing. People love hearing their own names. It makes them feel seen and valued. Next time you meet someone, repeat their name back immediately. Nice to meet you, Sarah. If you're terrible at this, try linking their name to something memorable, like Sarah loves sushi. Pro tip: keep a mental cheat sheet if you're at a big event. Just don't mix up your mental notes. Calling Sarah Sushi Steve is awkward. Let's talk about oversharing. When you go from, "Hi, nice to meet you," to, "Here's my deepest trauma in 3 seconds flat." Oversharing usually comes from a good place, wanting to connect, but it can overwhelm people. The fix? Think of conversations like tennis. Serve a little personal info and wait for them to volley back. Keep it light at first and save the deep stuff for trusted relationships. Unless you're auditioning for a reality show, then overshare away. Here's a sneaky one, forgetting to follow up. Social interactions don't end when the conversation does, especially with new connections. A quick follow-up message like, "Great chatting with you," or even a thoughtful comment on their post can work wonders. It shows you care and it keeps the connection alive. It's like planting a seed, water it and it grows. Ignore it and, well, it's just awkward. When was the last time you followed up with someone new? If you're overdue, use this as your reminder. You've made it to the end and now you've got 10 reasons to reflect on. And more importantly, fix, whether it's ditching overthinking, remembering names, or mastering the art of follow-up. Every little improvement builds your social glow-up. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Every awkward interaction is just another step toward becoming your best, most confident self. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And hey, if you think your friends could use this info, go ahead and share it with them. Make sure to subscribe for more content like this and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And while you're at it, check out some of our videos as well.